My OGERY just came in. Let me take it outside and show you how it works.
Hey, can I see that?
No, it's mine! Mine! No!
Come on,
No!
give me it.
Okay, so Raluca finally stopped chasing me. I'm outdoors on my back deck. It's actually 90 degrees out here. But I wanted to take a moment to show you this new exciting product I got in the mail. It's called the OGERY fan. OGERY sent me this product and asked me to test it to see what I think. And I gotta admit, I really love the thing. In fact, as soon as I opened it up in the kitchen, Raluca looked at me and said, "Wow, can I get one of those? Do they have it in pink?" And you know, I believe they do. So I've been using it for a couple days, actually all day yesterday and today, and I really love this thing. And matter of fact, yesterday I made a video about the ultimate air cooler that I put on my YouTube channel, and I wasn't supposed to have shown it yet, but you're going to see that I used it in the air cooler.
Take
so the
one.
ultimate ice cooler, you just take your ice pack, put it inside, cover it up, woo! This thing is awesome. Use it standing up like this on a table. You can use it upside down. It's quite the acrobat. You can move it whichever way you want. It oscillates, and look at this. You could even push this at a different angle if you're up higher or whatever. So if I want to use it here, I just put it like this. Now, to get it going, take a look at this. It has a little dial here. All I do is turn it. Let me get this so you can see it. All you do is turn it, and you can turn it as high as you like. Now it's on full, and it has all these little lights. It's hard to see right now because, like I said, it's actually it's about 3 o'clock and the sun is right up there, so it's kind of blinding, but you can actually see the lights, so you know whether it's a quarter or a half full. And like I said, this thing goes for 200 hours on the low speed, and I believe on high speed it's 17 hours, but who's going to be using it on high speed the whole time? And it's rechargeable. It even comes with a cord. Now, another thing, you folks know that I do a lot of, hold on, let me get this thing up on high. There we go. You know I do a lot of videos on off-grid and power outages. So another neat thing about this is behind it, I have it oscillating right now, you have the little charging station to make this a power bank. So in addition to a fan, you have a power bank so you can charge some of your small things, and especially your phone, so you can keep communicated. And in fact, you can charge the whole unit. It takes about 7.5 hours for the fast charge to get it going. So let's say you're using it for 200 hours straight, and then you just need 7.5 hours to recharge it for another 200 hours. So this thing is awesome. And the places you can use it, I took a couple short clips of me using it in the car. If this isn't the coolest thing, look at that. I have the OGERY upside down in the car with me. You know, this thing will go for about 8 days on low speed without having to recharge it. Woohoo! Here, let me take a selfie. You could use it in a car, in an RV, in a camper, in a tent. Pretty much anything you need. I'm really anxious to take it with me camping this summer. Can you tell I'm by an airport? There's always a plane whenever I want to record. But you can use this in your office. I use it sometimes when it's really hot in the daytime. I put it on my desk right by the computer to keep me cool. You can use it in your shop. You can use it in the greenhouse. I mean, I could just go on and on at bedtime. And it comes through the remote control. So you can actually start it and stop it from my cockpit in front of the TV. I got one of those recliners that sits up and sits down. It doesn't get up real fast, but this moves fast. Or even from bed. At nighttime, if you have it going and it's just too strong, you can turn it down or turn it off very easily. In fact, I want to take it with me fishing next time, and I can just kind of hang it up in a tree this way. Or, see the hook in here? It's a recessed hook. Hang it up in a tree this way. Just put it on a branch, makeshift branch, and let it cool you off. So I could be out there fishing, having a brew, root beer of course, and enjoying myself. So no longer do you have to suffer in the house during a power outage or even outdoors camping or fishing. It's also great in the workshop where I have no ventilation at all. You know, I feel like a kid with his little stuffed toy that has to take it with him wherever he goes. The OGERY is with me. But this is awesome because it cools me off, and it also has an oscillating feature. So I can get up and I can walk from here to there to there and just keep in front of it. No, actually it gets the whole area. And you want to see something else really cool? It's kind of dark in here, but wait for this. If I have a hard time seeing anything, watch this. Instant night light. Look at that, how bright it gets. The other day I walked in my front room that has no lights at all, and I turned that on, and it was just like having overhead lights on. Oops, go off. There we go. Ain't that cool? And another one of the best features, I think, now this is something that a lot of people don't mention about this or anything else, is just take it, put it on the ground when you're leaving the house someplace for your pets, or your cat, or your dog. If the power goes out, or your air conditioning isn't working for some reason, even though you might not have air conditioning, the coolness coming out of this thing can really save a life. Because if you're like me, I have a Maine Coon cat, and Mitzi is very important. I won't leave the house without the air conditioner running. But what if it goes down? This is a great thing because, like I said, it's going to run for days. So when you come back, she'll be over there balls in front of it, and you'll be happy you had it. Now, I'm not a real stickler to the techie stuff, so I had to actually write something down, and I'm not really sure what it means, but you guys could tell me in the description below. It has a 20,000 mAh battery. So I think that means it's pretty powerful. I know it's been running like crazy since I've had it. Poor thing. I'm thinking of naming him. See, R2-D2 is already taken. So let's see, what can I call him that's real technical, real techie? Bob. Hey, Bob. I like Bob because I can say it forward and backwards. So I think whatever I say about it, I love this thing, and I don't think I could really do it justice. So if you'd like to get one for yourself, right in the description below this video. So go there, get yours today. And OGERY, if you're watching, Raluca would love to have one of these in pink. God knows I won't get a one. But anyway, I guess I'm cheap. Thanks a lot for it. It's wonderful. And if any of you have one or have gotten one, let me know in the comments how you like it. I'm sure you're going to love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my Bob, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey, you want to go to dinner with me? Come on, let's go. Raluca can't come. No, she wants you.
I stole it. I stole the OGERY. It's mine now.
Want to see more on what goes on behind Why Am I Green? Come join us on Patreon for the behind-the-scenes projects, extra updates, and our monthly Green Room Live. Membership starts at just $5. The link's in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.